Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Juliet. So in today's video I will be showing you how to make this simple chiffon top. So here is the chiffon. I am folding it into two lengthwise, and then I'm going to further fold again into two, making it 4 folds. So this side is the wideness, which is where the sleeve is going to sit. So in order to get the sleeve, you need your shoulder measurement divided by 2 plus your sleeve length. So if your shoulder is 16 divided by 2 is 8, and then you add that 8 to your sleeve length, which is, let's say, 16, and that is what you will use to fold. In this case I am working with the width of the fabric. So I'm marking the neck, which is 5 inches wide and then 5 inches deep. Both the front and the back are going to have the same neck width and neck depth. So on this side where the sleeve is going to sit, I'm going to mark the sleeve opening, which is 8 inches. And then here I am marking the length of the top plus extra 1 inch for folding. So from that point where I marked the sleeve opening, you're going to come in by ½ inch and take it all the way down. After which you make a tiny curve. You know, ½ inch is quite small, so just make a little curve. And then using my scissors, I'm cutting out the neckline. The shoulder seam is going to be closed, so there will be no shoulder opening. So I'm cutting the length, as you can see. And then I will cut out that ½ inch we came in by. So after cutting that, I'm going to take this to the machine now and then sew the sides using ½ inch, like so. And then I will also finish the neckline with a bias strip and hem the lower part of the top. So next we're going to cut the cuff part. So you remember to take out 3 inches or whatever you want to use for the cuff from your sleeve length before cutting. So here my cuff is going to be 3. I'm marking 2 times that 3 plus 1 inch, that is 7. And then for the wideness, I'm marking the sleeve opening I'm working with plus 2 times of it plus 1 inch. So 7 plus 7 plus 14 plus 1 inch, making it 15. So 15 inches wide and then 7 inches high. So we're going to cut that out. You can actually use a different color of fabric for the cuff. It's going to make it look nice. So next we're going to fold it into 2, like so. This is the opening of the sleeve. This is the 8 inches and then the height of it. So on this side we're going to go sew using ½ inch, and then we'll repeat the same thing. So let me explain one more time. To cut the cuff, you mark 2 times your cuff height plus 1 inch. So 3 plus 3 plus 1, that is 7. And then for the round sleeve is 8 inches, so plus is 7. So 7 plus 7, that's 14, plus another 1, you'll mark 15. So that's what I'm cutting here, 7 by 15. So when you're done, you fold it into 2 like so. So now you have 7½. See, you'll use that half to join it together, and then I will show you the next step. So here's the top. I have finished the neckline with the bias strip. I have joined the sides and then I have hemmed the lower part, as you can see. So here is the sleeve that we just joined. I'm going to fold it into 2 like so, making sure that a raw seam is inside. I hope you understand. So we're going to fold it in such a way that it will now be 3½ inches tall and then 7 inches wide. So you see I'm folding it. The raw edges are going to be in between, so both sides is going to be a good side. So after folding it that way, we're going to place it on the sleeve, matching the side seams. So make sure the side seam of the cuff is matching the side seam of the top, and then we'll go ahead and sew. I'll pin it first, then I will go sew it around the sleeve. So I'll repeat the same thing. I'll repeat the same thing for the second sleeve. Fold them together like so, making sure the side seams are matching, and then you pin the rest of it to the top, and then we'll go sew it. So you can add interfacing to the cuffs if you want to. And here is it after sewing, looking nice and beautiful. And that is basically it on how to do this, how to make this simple top. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you in my next video. Bye.